Hello everyone, how are you doing today? In this video, I want to show you how to draw circles with circle command in AutoCAD 2021. First, let's go to the left of your screen, and you will see the navigation bar. I want to do a zoom out. Click so that I can see the details of the grid. Let's use the pen and move a little bit. I want to see this square area. And right now we see the hand sign. Let's hit the escape. So I also want to make sure that I have selected the snap mode for the grid. So right now it's on. So let's check the grid, right click the grid. And I want to make sure the grid spacing is 1 by 1. So I know that this scale, this is a minor grid is one unit. So the major grid is going to be 5 units. So here the unit selecting, this is the decimal. I decide to use the decimal. Decimal means that we can use any unit. We can use any unit like a meter or centimeter. It doesn't matter for drawing. So let's look at the Home tab and the Draw panel. You will see the circle icon. Click the triangle. You will see all the options that you can use to draw circles. So we are going to take 1 by 1 to draw circles. So with that being said, let's begin. So we can also use the command window here to type in circle. Yeah, to find the circle command to select it and activate it. For this video, I'm going to use the circle icon here. So let's go find the first method. So it is the method with the center and radius. Basically, you have to decide the center and then decide the radius. You will draw a circle. So before we start drawing, I want to draw a square in this area. So let's use polyline to draw a square. So I want to begin with this point and go to second point, go to the third point, and go to the third and end at the first point. So I also want to make sure that I already check on the object snap mode. So it's already on. So if we click this, so we see that I selected an end point, mid point, center point, and geometric point. If this mode is on, so basically if I put my cursor on the object, it's going to show up the sign that I want to stick on, like the end point, mid point. So let's draw a circle with first method, center, radius. Click it. So the first circle that I decided to put at the center here. So I just put my cursor on the square object. You know that I activated. This is the object snap mode is going to show up the center of this square. So I want to decide this is the center for the circle. Let's click it. So the diameter is going to be the half length of the side. So I stop it here. So let's keep doing, and with the second method, center and diameter. So this time I want to draw a circle with center on the midpoint of the side. and the dimension is going to be the length of the side. So let's activate second method. So make sure that we put this cursor on the square so that I know the midpoint. So this is very triangle. This is the midpoint. This is going to be the center of the circle. And I move up. You see that I want to stop here. You see that the dashed yellow line. This is the length of the diameter. So let's stop at the midpoint of this side of the square. So this is the circle that I drew at the center and at the midpoint of this side, and the diameter the same as the side length of the square. So let's go to the third method. So it says 2 point. Basically, we need to decide the 2 point first, and then we can draw a circle. So this circle, I want to decide from this point and to this point. So this is the diameter of the circle. Let's see what happened. I want to start this point, click it, and stop this point, click it here. So there is a circle here. Let's go to the next method, 3 point. So basically, with this method, we have to have 3 points to decide a circle. So let's try to decide this circle. Let's say I want to draw a circle from start point from this point, and this point. So three points. 1 point, 2 point, and the third point. Okay, I have finished the circle with 3 points. Let's look at this method. This is a tangent tan radius. Tan means the tangent line. We need 2 tangent lines and 1 radius. And then to decide the circle. Let's say that I want to decide this is a tangent line, this is another tangent, and the radius is going to be the length of this small grid is 1. Let's activate and select. So I already have the snap mode for the object. So let's put here, put the cursor here, select it, and this is the second tangent line. Put here, select it, and right now we need to type in. Look at the compound window. Let's type in y. This is the radius. Okay, you find that this is the radius, right? It's exactly the length of the minor grid is 1. So this is the circle I just draw. So let's go to the last method, tangent. It says we need 3 tangent lines to decide the circle. So in order to demonstrate that, I want to draw a rectangle. You know that rectangle has 3 sides. So from here to here and here. Lovely. This is a triangle. I want to put a circle inside the triangle. So the last method, activate. So the first tangent line, I decide this side, the second tangent line, and the third tangent line. You see, the circle is automatically showing up within the triangle. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for your watching. If you have any question, please feel free to let me know.